Yo, what's good, crypto fam? In today's show, crypto analyst predicts $100,000 Bitcoin all-time high by end of year 2021 is a realistic scenario. We're going to be taking a look at his tweet. He also shares what he feels the correction is going to be and so much more. We'll dissect this in today's show. Also in today's episode, we'll be talking about Binance launching a new crypto asset pegged to XRP. We'll be taking a look at some of the tweets from the CEO of Binance and how this will affect the future of Ripple and XRP. Find out this and so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And before we dive right into today's show, I want to remind you about 5 coins to 5 million. If you missed this live cryptocurrency event with Teeka, where he shares his #1 cryptocurrency altcoin pick of 2019, you can still catch the replay by clicking the link right below this video in the description. All right, JV here, and welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. The Bitcoin price may be crashing currently, but the first ever cryptocurrency is expected someday to reach prices of $100,000 to as much as $1 million per Bitcoin. According to one crypto analyst, the first of those two numbers is a very realistic scenario that could occur as early as the end of the year in 2021. At the height of the 2017 crypto bubble, Bitcoin reached an all-time price of about $20,000 per Bitcoin and nearly overnight became a household name. Remember, they started sharing it all over television and whatnot. Everyone was talking about it. It was even mentioned in The Simpsons, for Christ's sake, right?
Krusty, are you broke?
Yeah, all it takes is some bad luck at the ponies, worse luck in the Bitcoin market.
But after the turn of the year, the entire crypto market had a major crash, eliminating over 99% of the value from some altcoins and over 80% of Bitcoin's value. But as we both know, Bitcoin always bounces back, and throughout its history has repeatedly gone through bubble-like cycles where the asset goes parabolic and reaches extreme values before suffering a major collapse and retracement. The crypto asset has earned itself a negative reputation for being extremely volatile as a result, but if history continues to repeat itself, another bubble cycle could be coming, and one that'll take Bitcoin to over $100,000 per Bitcoin. Let's take a look at what crypto analyst Roger Quantrillo had to share in his tweet. He wrote, Bitcoin USD, most realistic scenario. Number 1, Bitcoin will never go below $5.8 thousand again. Pretty interesting. Number 2, the max price until the end of 2020 will be $14,000. Another very interesting prediction. And number 3, the next all-time high will be around 100 to 110,000 in November, December 2021. And number 4, the correction should put us around $30 to $40,000. And I included this tweet in the show notes in the description right below this video. And taking a look at this reply, someone wrote, is Bitcoin following a magic mathematic path? It seems that Bitcoin is ruled by Fibonacci numbers. If that repeats for the 4th time, the next cycle will bring us a top of 220,000 and a bottom of 36,000. Can't wait. All I know is this: if Bitcoin hits 36,000 or 220,000, I'm gonna be like this.
Crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, all gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No.
Anyways, back to Roger Quantrillo and his prediction. Using a curve growth line, the analyst chart shows the trajectory of how Bitcoin will reach such prices. The curve channel is traced along previous tops and bottoms, potentially providing the analyst with the next top and bottom of the next bubble cycle, with the top being roughly 100K per Bitcoin. The analyst sees the correction following the top to take the price down to roughly 30 or 40,000 as the next cycle bottom. So what does that mean for you and I? Well, buying Bitcoin during the current correction could bring over 1,600% returns. Pretty massive, right? The analyst also shared some additional aspects of what he calls a realistic scenario for Bitcoin's price action over the short term. Quantrillo expects the Bitcoin price to retrace no deeper than $5,800 during the current correction from the top at 14K. That 14K price level where Bitcoin was rejected from back in June, the analyst says will be the high for the entire 2019. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. I'm hoping we go much higher this year in 2019. I'm hoping we reach 25,000 by November, December, but we'll see what happens. I also want to stress I am not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice, and that investing in cryptocurrency is risky, so please do so at your own risk. In other crypto news, Binance launching a new crypto asset pegged to XRP. Taking a look at this tweet from the CEO of Binance, he wrote, "This was supposed to be announced a bit later, but such is the nature of blockchain project transparency. Can't hide anything. Well, there you go. XRP on chain pegged on Binance Chain and Binance DEX. Guess which floodgates this opens up." And he followed this by this tweet, which I included right below this video in the show notes for you to check out. Let's get right back to this story because this is actually pretty interesting. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance is launching a token pegged 1-to-1 with XRP, says Changpeng Zhao, the company's founder and CEO. Zhao broke the news on Twitter on Thursday, saying the asset will be 100%, actually over 100%, backed by XRP. The tweet, we just took a look at it. The new token is designed to give users on Binance decentralized crypto exchange Binance DEX a way to invest in a crypto asset that will perform exactly the way XRP does. The CEO says that every transaction can be verified on the blockchain and that he hopes the new asset will actually increase the demand for native XRP tokens. He wrote, "The supply will still be in circulation, just on the Binance chain. They should be actively used for trading. Nothing changes from the supply perspective. Demand should increase, though, as there is more use case trading going on." And some users on Twitter inquired about the purpose of Binance's new token in relation to XRP itself. And the CEO responded, "Have you ever asked for more trading pairs against XRP? Native XRP does not have direct trading pairs for, say, BTC, BNB, Matic, etc. Well, now it does." And you can see here in this tweet, he wrote, "It means you will be able to trade most coins and tokens on Binance_DEX, non-custodian. Your keys, your funds." Binance launched the token pegged to the value of Bitcoin in June. In the company's announcement, officials went into greater detail about the purpose of the backed assets on their decentralized exchange, saying the main benefit of offering crypto pegged tokens is that obviously this makes available to Binance DEX traders the many coins that have their own blockchains and aren't native on Binance Chain. With the increase in the selection of tokens available on Binance DEX, there should be an increase in trading volume and liquidity. So this would further increase the utility value of Binance DEX. In the long run, Binance says it plans to launch crypto assets pegged to all the major cryptocurrencies. So this is pretty big news for cryptocurrency. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now taking a look at the latest tweet from Plan B, he wrote, "Bitcoin stock-to-flow model predicts $100,000 before December 2021, or else the model fails. Do you believe Bitcoin will be 100K before December 2021? I voted yes. I would love to know your vote. Currently, there's 8,866 votes, and there's only 4 hours left to vote, so you can still cast your vote. I included a link in the show notes in the description right below this video. Currently, there's 55% of the people said yes, 24% of the people said no, and 22% of the people said, I don't know. And taking a look at some of the replies, this person, Sach, wrote, "I'm afraid that the model fails. Everyone is bullish on Bitcoin. The opposite will happen. I am afraid we will retest 3K or maybe lower for a shakeout of the weak hands." Gigi wrote, 3 halvings in the next 9 years, 3 halvings in the next 9 years, 3 halvings in the next 9 years, 3 halvings, and you get the point. Sovereign Crypto wrote, 5 million a coin in the next 9 years. This is actually pretty interesting, isn't it? And we'll check out just a couple more tweets. Electra wrote, "Love Bitcoin." And Zedek wrote, "This is delusional." And Hodler wrote, "Your S2F model aligns with log regression, so it's very much possible that Bitcoin will reach 100,000 by 2021. I would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. And let's also take a look at a tweet from Alex Kruger, who wrote, "While discount brokers and traditional markets are moving towards zero trading fees, crypto exchanges increase fees. Coinbase in particular just hiked its fees for its lowest volume tier by 150% for a 233% increase since March." Here's my updated exchange fees summary table, and I included this for you in the show notes right below this video in the description. Now taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, you can see Bitcoin is in the red, down 1.14% for the day, trading at $8,135. Ethereum down 1.1% for the day, trading at $174. XRP back in the green, up 1.3% for the day, trading at 25 cents. Miss Litecoin up 2.43%, trading at $56.96. EOS up 0.68%, trading at $2.97. And Tron is up 1%, trading at like 1 cent, 1.4 to be exact. BNB coin down 1.29%, trading at $15.43. Overall, the sentiment feels bearish. That's my opinion. Taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, it's currently $218 billion. And the volume in the past 24 hours, just under $50 billion, with the Bitcoin dominance currently at 67.4%. Now taking a look at the biggest gainers for the day. Centrality up 97%. Holy cow. That coin is pumping. How many of you own Centrality coin? Let me know in the comments below. That's a pretty massive gain for 24 hours. So let's keep an eye on that throughout the week. And let's see if it ends up in the biggest losers later on. Basic Attention is up 13%. Factom is up 9.7%. Engine Coin is up 9.44%. IOST is up 9%. And Dragon Coin's up 5.97%. So it looks like a lot of the altcoins are actually pretty bullish right now, which is good news for them. And taking a look at the biggest losers, we got Bit Capital Vendor down 9.19%, Rift Token down 7.78%, Bytecoin down 5.5%, Quant down 4.68%, Crypterium down 4.37%, and Zilliqua down 4.04%. According to the BitMEX margins, the bears are currently dominating with 54 million in superiority, leading the way with shorts of 51.27% versus longs at 48.73%. Are you bearish or bullish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And oh yeah, before I go, don't forget 5 coins to 5 million. You can still check out the replay for a limited time. There's a link right below this video in the description. Click the link. It'll take you to this page that you see here on the screen. Enter your email and then click the button that says reserve my spot. It's then going to take you to this page with Teeka where you can watch the entire replay free of charge and find out Teeka #1 altcoin pick of 2019. So how do you make 5 million in 10 months? Find out that and so much more. Click the link right below this video in the description. Check it out. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.